Good morning, all of you. Today is 5th September, Teachers' Day, and we, the students of class 11th E, are very glad to celebrate this day with our teachers virtually. I would like to thank every teacher for working so hard during this time for us. This year has given us very tough time, but our teachers are been a ray of hope to all of us. They all acted like our mentors. They always supported us and helped us to cope with online classes and tests. No words is enough to express what they are doing for us, but we would like to share with you all a bit of our creativity. Hope you all will like it and enjoy it.
I have few words for boards of directors. First of all, I wish Happy Teachers' Day to my principal sir, ma'am, my managing director ma'am, and sir. I have a poetry on Teachers' Day. I am happy that you are my boards of director. I enjoy each lesson you teach. As my role model, you inspire me to brave, to work and to reach. With your kindness, you get my attention. Every day you are planting a seed of curiosity and motivation to know, to grow and to succeed. And you fulfill my potential. I am thankful for all that you have done. And I admire you each day, and I just want to say that as a board of director, you are number one.
I would like to speak some lines on my class teacher, Nadeem Singh. People say that teachers are guides, but I believe that teachers like you are our second parents. Thanks for making our classroom feel like our second home. Thank you for all your help. No one else can teach this subject as well as you. You are the best teacher. Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. I hope you all are safe and healthy. We feel so proud to have such great mentors like you because you did not leave even in this pandemic. And I would like to say some lines to my Hindi teacher, Mrs. Pratima ma'am. Thank you ma'am for guiding us. Because of you, we connect to our mother language in this way you taught, like your own child. Thank you ma'am.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my most respected teachers. Here I will express my words for the best mentor ever, Above Sir. Blessed to have you in my life as my guider and my accounts teacher. No matter how old we grow, but your lessons can never be forgotten. Thank you for your unending efforts and supporting us always. Once again, Happy Teachers' Day.
I'll be speaking a few words for our commerce teacher, Satakshi ma'am. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take and the love you give to us makes you one of the best teachers. We are so thankful to have you as our teacher, as our guider, as our mentor.
Hello everyone, a very happy Teachers' Day. Today I would like to say a few words for our English teacher Fatima ma'am. Dear ma'am, thank you for continuously inspiring me to do my best. The best teachers don't give you answers. They spark within you the desire to find answers yourself, and you proved that. Thank you ma'am, I am grateful to be your student. Once again wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
I just want to speak few words for my dear teacher Meenakshi ma'am who teach us accounts. I am very thankful to her for continually inspiring us to do our best. I found guidance, discipline, mentor and inspiration in her, and I just want to wish a happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the respected teachers. Someone said that the teachers of multitasking educational rockstar who live to inspire and love to encourage. But like sir, you really prove that you are one of them. You not only get medals in your life, but you got respect from your students, from us. It is impossible to thank you. There are no words to appreciate you because your words empower us to chase our dreams. But thank you sir, and again happy Teachers' Day.
I will be speaking few words for my favorite teacher, that is Titus sir. The way he teaches the difficult things in a simple manner. Whatever we have achieved till now is because of you. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for being my teacher and mentor. Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. I am blessed to have you as my teacher.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my respected teachers. As we are celebrating Teachers' Day, so I dedicate a poem to my favorite teacher, Mr. Fraser. I don't know how should I thank such a wonderful teacher in my life. You have always helped me in my difficulties and my style. I have asked you so many questions, I have irritated you a lot, but you had all the patience to respond only from your good tone. Thank you, my favorite teacher, for always being there whenever I needed your guidance in life. At last, thanks to everyone, every teacher, for your teaching being kind.